Hello guys. So our hope is that you will be able to make this catapult and try this on your own, but we know that we might not always have these things around. So what I thought we would do is show you the experiment or what it's supposed to look like just in case you weren't able to build it and try it yourself. Now I think this will be a lot of fun if you can try it, so definitely give it a shot, okay? But in order to do the experiment or to do the activity, what you're going to need four things. You're going to need a small book, about this size. You're going to need a crumbled up piece of paper. I used a post-it note for this. It made a pretty good size. You're going to need the catapult that we showed you how to make. And then you're going to need some kind of cup, mug, whatever you have that you can use. Okay? The setup is simple. You're going to put the catapult to one side. You're going to put the cup to the other. You're going to take your paper ball. You're going to put it in the spoon, like so. And then the object of the experiment is to get this ball, paper ball, into this cup and to see if it can be repeated more than once. Okay? So in order to do this, what you do is you take your book, and all you're going to do is set the book up and try taking and letting it fall onto the spoon, and it shoots the paper ball. Now obviously I didn't make it, so there are a few things that we can change to kind of help, okay? So some of the things we want you to experiment around with, or I'm going to experiment around with, is how far we can move the cup, the height of the book, drop it from here, here, or here, or I can even adjust the spoon so that it's closer to this part of the spoon, or it's closer to the end of the spoon, okay? So those are all the different things that you can play around with in the experiment, okay? So let's give it a shot. So we're gonna take our paper ball, and we're gonna see if we can make it in this cup. And I'm going to start with the book about halfway. Okay. That shot my paper ball all the way onto the floor over here. So obviously, we got to change some things, right? Okay. So I'm going to start with adjusting where the spoon is on the marker. So this seemed to shoot it a little too far. So I'm going to pull it down a little bit and maybe make it a little bit closer to the other end. And I'm going to try moving the cup a little bit. And then I'm going to try again. Okay, take it again. Take the book. Oh, I got a little closer that time. It didn't go off my table. Landed over here a little bit. So maybe I just need to raise the book a little higher. Let's try that. Oh, went too far that time. But I'm getting it to hit the cup. So maybe let's try not as high as that, just a little less. And let's move the catapult a little closer. Nope, a little higher than that. Success! That's exactly what we wanted it to do. It went right into the cup. Let's see if we can get it to do it again. Kind of a similar setup. Gonna try to remember the same way I had it. Okay, just like that. Nope. Uh-oh. Let's try moving it a little bit. Oh, I was closer that time. Let's move the cup a little bit this time. Let's see what happens now. Success! Okay? So that is the experiment. That is what we're trying. And again, we hope that you are able to try this at home, but if not, you can watch my attempt and use that to help answer some of the questions. Hope this was helpful, guys. See you next time.